Welcome to Jamestown High School. I'm Howard Townsend, and I'm honored to serve as your principal this year. Joining me on the administrative team are Assistant Principals Leslie English and Karen Scott. Ms. English will work with students with last names that start with the letters M through Z. Ms. Scott will work with students with last names that begin with the letters A through L. We learned some valuable lessons from our challenging year. Communication must be clear and consistent. Our school utilizes Canvas, an online platform for our teachers to connect with our students. For our families, we will continue to use ParentView, an online application that works with laptops, cellular devices, and other personal devices. Additionally, our teachers will use Remind 101 and emails to connect with our families. At the school level, there is a weekly principal's newsletter that is published to our website, sent to parent email addresses on file, and posted to Twitter by Monday with important information and upcoming events. We learn the importance of connections. Our students need to be a part of clubs, athletics, and performances. We will utilize Eagle Landing, a specific page in Canvas, to allow students to learn more about clubs and other activities that Jamestown offers. And finally, last year demanded a steely focus on our goals. The safety of our students and staff is paramount. We will continue to provide supports for the physical and mental safety of our students and staff. To review mitigation protocols and procedures, please visit our school division's website. Our school's focus for the past 25 years hasn't changed. Throughout 25 years of excellence, we seek to provide high-quality instruction that engages every student at any given time. Thank you.